Alright, so I got my lights out for the winter. I'm going to show you how to see which bulb is causing your strains to go out, especially when you've got half of them working and half are not. I'll show you what to do. First thing is you're going to want some kind of a meter, so you can use something like that has live wire detection, or the little pin one is going to be better. So if you see here, it'll tell you you've got power. I'm trying to do this one-handed. What you'll do is you'll start with the first one here, kind of separate it, and depending on which way you have your plug in on the end, you should have power running up here and down below and up. So you'll see I've got power running to that, just one by one. Make sure to separate them enough where it's reading each wire. And I'll show you what you'll see when you find the one that is not working. All right, so I made my way down the line a little bit, just going through and checking each one of these individually. So when I got to this one, you'll see when I touch it here, I'm not getting it. But if I take the wire here, if I go to this one, if I separate it one hand, so you can see I've got power there. And essentially what it is I've got power running down this line right here, but I don't have power running down this line right here. So this is the bulb that needs to be replaced. So let's go ahead and replace it. And in case you're wondering how to replace it, on these, this is an old incandescent, not the LED style. Not sure if it's the same, but you'll see the little tab right there. Flip the tab up, and then the light just pulls out. All right, new light is in. I'm just going to push it in there and flip the tab down. And you see, my lights are going. And that's how you do it. And in case you're wondering what the pin style that I'm talking about, it's just one of these. Just happen to have no batteries for it. But this will be a little easier to get up in there. Either way works. Just essentially when you turn this on, you touch it to a live power. It'll just beep at you, let you know there's power running to it. They're super cheap. Get them on Amazon, Walmart, just wherever you want to get them. But lots of different brands. But they all do the same thing.